Hey guys, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to fill out the Station Model Lab. So when you pull up this assignment in Kami, the first page that you can see is that this is a station model. So on the station model, all this information that's going around it is going to tell you lots of information. So you can see that this is going to be telling you the barometric pressure, the barometric trend, the amount of precipitation. Now, obviously, if there isn't any precipitation, then you're not going to have a number there. This is going to be in your wind direction. So remember, up here, if you follow my mouse, north, south, east, west. All right, wind speed. Okay, so if you can see that this is telling you the direction, this is going to be telling you your wind speed. So if you have a whole feather, okay, they call this full line a feather, and then this will be a half of a feather. So if you have a whole feather, that is 10. A half of one's going to be 5. So then in this case, it'll be 15 knots. All right, this is your dew point. It's going to be done in Fahrenheit. Your visibility, your precipitation type, and I'm going to show you where you're going to find that information. The actual temperature, and this is again in Fahrenheit. And this is going to be showing you your cloud cover. Again, I'm going to show you where that information is. So if you scroll, okay, this is like your little cheat sheet. So they go and they explain things, but here's going to be your symbols for your cloud cover. This is going to be your precipitation symbols. Okay, so what you're going to go when you go through is on here, okay, is that they're giving you all the information, okay, on this weather station, and then you're going to be filling it out. Okay, the only thing that you do not have to do is I'm not going to have you convert the Fahrenheit into Celsius. So you can skip this first row. Okay, so you do not have to do about the temperature in Celsius because all the temperatures are in Fahrenheit. So just write them down in Fahrenheit. Okay, so that's what you're going to do on that one. When you get to part 2, what they're doing is that they're giving you all the information, and then you're going to have to fill them in, okay, in Kami. So again, use your drawing tools. You may want to use your shapes. And then you're going to be putting in all the numbers and the information. Okay, so just do the best that you can. I know it's a little bit difficult writing in Kami, but I'll just kind of give you practice. Can't be any worse than the graph that you guys did the other week. Okay, so again, so your symbols then are going to end up looking something like this. Okay, that's what you're going to be drawing in for part 2. All right, then on the conclusion, you're just going to answer the questions. And then you have some matching on the last page. Okay, so all the information for here, you're going to have to look here, and then you're going to be putting down what letter that it is. So you can see there's a G, there's an E, a D, so on and so forth. Okay, so I hope that explains on how you are going to complete the weather station activity.